What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable automatic call recording on your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your Android device, open the phone app and tap on the three dots located in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap on Record Calls. Here, you'll find all the settings related to automatic call recording. Look for the slider labeled Auto Record Calls. Slide it to the on position to activate automatic call recording. And there you have it. You've set the wheels in motion for automatic call recording. Engage in your calls as usual, and the Android device will automatically record them based on the settings you've chosen. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.